Rise and grind, ladies and gentlemen, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, we got a 2014 Ford Transit Connect 2.5 XL. We're gonna be replacing the battery on it. I'm gonna show you how we do that. You gotta take out all of this just to get back there. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, first what we want to do, unhook all of this here, take off this airbox unit so we can gain access back here. And just squeeze these two tabs here. That'll come right out. Unhook those. That right there. Pull that tab back, press on it. I just went ahead and pulled this whole piece out. That goes there. Undid that screw there. Flat head. Now I'm gonna take out these two clips. Alright, now we out. Here we go. Let's see what else we got. I went ahead and pulled these tabs. They all hooked in there. One of them back here. Just pop that out. Just snaps undone. Pull out. Alright, this little piece here, that slides in. Slides in there. I just got it out. One side, then the other one popped out. I'm gonna go ahead and take off this positive terminal. Alright, so we got that undone. Now, what we're gonna do, we got these here, get some light. We got one here, 10 mil, and another 10 mil we're gonna take out. That was a 10 mil as well. So what I did, took off that bolt. Now we can move this around instead of taking out that one. I ain't even gotta take that one out. So we're gonna pull this back, see if we can get to that ground wire. Man, that was a little tough there, but I did get it. So they had a warranty on this battery. So this is a new battery that they purchased. It's a lot bigger. Cold cranking amp, so more. And I was gonna throw this in there, but 590 cold cranking amps, and that one is 740. No, I'm sorry, 600. And this one is 800. So I'm gonna go ahead and put what they got here. So all right, before we put it in, get your battery installation kit. You want to get that grease, put it on the terminals, and add these. This keeps it from corroding and all of that. All right, got our positive, negative, grease on it. All right, let's go in. All right, we in there. Please make sure your battery terminals are tight. If they loose, you're gonna have to do this whole job over, man, just to get in here and tighten these things down. All right, and we in there. Tighten down. Go ahead and put that back on there. And then like swimwear. Put everything back together, man. We done. And there you have it. Battery replacement, man. If you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I appreciate y'all, man. Till next time, the Pull Up King.